Okay, good afternoon. We're going to do a quick room tour of room 3195 in the Augustus Tower at Caesar's Palace. This is the first time we've actually stayed at this property. Actually, I've stayed here as part of a convention one year, but this is the first time that Vita and I have stayed here on a visit to Las Vegas. So, got a nice sized bathroom. The room overall is pretty large. I don't know if it's a suite just because it has a couch and some chairs in it, but it is a larger room. Bathroom overall, again, really nice. Nice size, plenty of countertop space. The room overall is definitely showing some wear and tear. Again, not bad for a comped night, but you can definitely tell by just the flooring and some of the fixtures that it's definitely been a while since they've done any upgrades to this room. Again, you see the space, very nice, large, open space. Got a media center. And if you just look a little closely, you can see some of the wear and tear on the furniture. There's a mini bar. A couple of things were missing when we got in here. Hopefully we don't get charged for that, or they don't try to charge us for that. And again, if you look here, just a little wear and tear. Lots of drawer space though. It's kind of nice. If you have a lot of clothes, if you're going to stay here for several days, it's kind of nice to have that extra storage. Got a couple of chairs, and a little sectional sofa. Looks like a little dining table with a Keurig, which is unusual for hotel rooms in Vegas, or at least the ones we've stayed in. Kind of nice, except for the fact that the Keurig coffee is part of the mini bar, so if we'd have known, we could have brought us a couple of Keurig cartridges for coffee. View is not terrible, but not great. Looks like a little bit of the pool that are being drained for the winter time. It's December 28th, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. December 28th. We're in town for New Year's. So we got a little bit of a mountain view, the side of a building view, and a little bit of the empty pool view. So, but again, for a comp night, not terrible. Room was ready when we got here. We checked in at 2:30-ish. Vita said that in order to check in at the time, though, she had to pay an extra $20. Otherwise, you'd have to wait until 4 o'clock. I'm not really sure what that was all about. Maybe that's standard, I don't know. But closet, and there's a safe in the closet. So, again, decent room, lots of size, lots of space.